Hey, if you're looking for an automated trading sweeps system that works, you're at the right place. I'm going to be doing this Trade UI tutorial. If you guys aren't familiar with the Trade UI platform, it's basically option sweeps, breakout scanners, and a whole lot more, and you can check it out in the description below. But we're going to be going over this for those watching through the tutorial, the playlist here. Essentially, this is a really relatively new introduced feature with stock breakouts, stock consolidation, volatility squeezes, and reversal patterns. I'm not going to go too much into the reversal patterns and stock breakouts. These are pretty common sense. Stock breakout means it's going to break out potentially more, and a reversal pattern basically means that it's going to reverse whatever its kind of current move is doing and kind of change it up and maybe start going the other way. And these are kind of based on literal data. This is not just random analysts or upgrades or whatever. This is data coming in, and this is analyzing charts live, real time, 100% pretty much straightforward, kind of pops up here live coming in when it finds a setup. And it's pretty easy to follow, once you understand what you're looking for. And that's what this video is about. Now, a lot of setups came in today. The thing you gotta note is that not all of them are gonna be valid setups utilizing this concept here, but volatility squeezes are pretty self-explanatory. You know, Squeezing as it comes in, movement, volatility, volume, all this kind of stuff is indicating a potential continuation of whatever the current move is. Oracle got a volatility squeeze and then it pushed a little bit higher. You have basically Smile Direct Club that had a volatility squeeze, earlier in the day, and then it continued that trend through that volatility on the downward trend there. Usually it's indicative to continue to follow that current move, whatever it might be. Sometimes it can be a short-term volatility squeeze where you see a sharp down and then a sharp back up. It's all relative to, understanding basic stock tech patterns going on. UMP here had a little bit of a consolidation and a little bit of a volatility squeeze after that. They continued pushing it up a little bit higher. Here's a good one for the consolidation here. They consolidated up around here and then of course broke down, so they're consolidating to get ready to short it or dump it a little bit, and then it dumped later into the day. WMGI, not the best example, but very, very similar here. Consolidation, then a little bit of a drop and spike back up. CMCSA, a volatility squeeze once again, pushing it up a little bit higher here. A little bit more of a choppy chart to follow along with, but some of them are a little bit more obvious, some of them a little bit more challenging to determine whether they're a good play or not. We'll show a little bit more of them here. Let's see here. We'll do NVIDIA and Starbucks.